And now it's for rain. So we feel like they can't sell any more ponchos. Yeah. So be careful what you say, what you... Yes, I'm watching it.
You're gonna record us? Are you just recording us or everything?
Everything.
It's 360.
360.
Want to see?
Where is it? Celine Dion. Before the disease. Before Ebola. There's nothing to die, I don't know what happened there. But all the way to the right, so I will feel so uncomfortable, I will feel like comfortable in front.
I had something similar, doing something.
Yeah. But at least keep it in the middle, right? Yeah. They all look like, like GTA. GTA 5. This city is all new. This was not open. Which is good. Can go.
The bottom is nice as well.
But I don't know. We have entrance over there. We have entrance. Celine Leon. Celine Leon. Just happy to play.
You understand Italian, no?
Yeah, I can even speak.
Yeah?
Yeah. Not. The thing is, like, I had to do the flight often. I do the flight often. I can speak.
So there's a chance if they
Yeah.
maybe you find out something. You know what I mean? But I think it's the intention, right?
There was one lost pigeon there.
Something.
He thinks he's part of the gang.
Yeah, exactly.
Every place has different looking cars.
Yeah. In Dubai they are black.
Yeah.
Super black. And they eat fries. They go to the beach and they wait for people to go to the water, and when you come back, goodbye. Without fries, goodbye pizza.
It looked like a full.
They eat everything.
I was backpacking in Himalayas. The fucking crew was the size of the eagle. Oof. It was that big in Himalayas.
Wow. They eat properly. They eat dead bodies for sure, like people who died from the Everest.
Yeah. I was backpacking solo. It was amazing, but like at one point I was eating and the crows just came down to me. It was this huge.
For sure, they eat everything that dies there. The birds, the different animals, humans.
Yeah.
Crows.
A lot of humans.
They are always waiting for someone to die.
What's the history behind this?
It used to be like a center of entertainment. So whenever there was a crisis in the Roman government, they used to organize massive big events with the slaves to distract the people from the real problems. Like the same like nowadays with football, with concerts, it's the same. But at that time they used to put lions and huge animals. If supposedly they were escaping from the animals, they were getting the freedom, the slaves. But apparently it was bullshit. They were still being slaves, or they were still getting killed. So it was like a false hope. they were telling them, okay, if you participate and then you manage to escape the lions or whatever, you're good.
How can you escape a fucking lion?
Because inside there was like a circuit. So, but most of the time they were closing the cage, so there was no escape, basically. You know, the way it was just giving you the false hope, like, okay, you can do this. It's like you can choose to be safe forever or at least try to escape. And you didn't have a choice. It's not like you were like, oh no, I prefer to be a slave and not be in the game. No, it's they will put you inside the field, the arena. So it was not like you can decide what to do. Are they gonna stop in every single brick?
Where are they? You see them? No. You see a big umbrella?
Maybe he closes now because it's not. No, we should go up there. We have a very good panorama of the Colosseum. The best picture. Here nothing because it's very close, you know.
Yeah, very good. But where do these people go?
We're up there coming with more than 4 people.
3 is too many people.
Yeah, it's crowd. It's a crowd. For sure someone, a politician or someone lives here. Because they have a security guy and the building is so normal, right? But probably inside it has like jacuzzi, prostitutes.
These politicians, they live life.
Man, they are like the politicians in the old Greece, the old Rome, you know, they live the same, like kings. They have big salaries, they get extra money from approving shady contracts or shady laws. So they put all the money in offshore accounts.
What do you want more?
You do bullshit and people still vote for you. Imagine. That's crazy. It's crazy. Like, because in every country you see the politicians always, for the 20, 30 years, it's always the same faces.
I don't think there would be, like, do you think normal people would be living here this close to this state?
Here it's like people who have a lot of money. Or their families they bought centuries ago. Because these buildings are from 1600. So probably they were passed through generations, you know.
Because this would be worth.
Otherwise, one apartment here is no less than €500,000. Even a small one, huh? Very small one. But that happens in the main capitals of Europe.
So this another is
Madrid,
had enough of Nero's behavior.
Even Barcelona is not the capital, but Barcelona
It's a big.
is extremely expensive
They started
because
in persecution.
all the Chinese they bought everything. So if you find anything in the city, it's like 800,000 euros, 900,000 euros. Yeah, they always wait for a crisis. Like in 2008, they bought everything. When it was the real estate crisis in the US and spread to Europe and pretty much everywhere. They bought everything. Even they bought all the American companies, like the Chrysler, Bank of America, a lot of shares from Microsoft. The Chinese, they were like, okay, this is cheap, amazing. We were waiting for this. The things like the Chinese, they have patience, you know. They don't mind waiting years, decades, and even if it's not for them, they know it's gonna be for their family, for their sons or future generations. For us, it's like, oh, we want everything now. Like we want everything now, quickly, you know.
That's the one. It's so bad now.
Just wait for the girls and to pass and be here in the car. Not in the car, but next to it.
Don't know. It's okay to be here.
As far as the police don't see you. Yeah, wait for her for them to pass. Oh, maybe there's something here. Maybe it is a tourist. Yeah, we came from here, right? Yeah. Instead of going there, we'll be going there. Okay. Did you have any coin? You have to throw one coin. Muito. Let's say 3 wishes. One coin, 1 wishes. Yes. Just ask for Haidera Basana. It's your wish. Right? And Teve.
Ice cream.
It's so old. No, because they do restoration. So not this is let's wait for some people to leave and then we're gonna have a video. Violadora. La violadora. But it's always in Emirates. It's always the problem between women. It's women with women. Like, always. Like almost never you have someone. It's almost never.
It's 1 in 1,000.
And when it happens, it's like a gay.
Yeah.
Gay person.
100%.
Gay, because they are girls. They behave like ones, of course. They have the same problems as.
Look at us, like it was 3 males in the bed.
Yeah.
The girl wasn't
Nothing.
ready.
Nothing. It was like
The cabin was boom, boom.
Was like smooth. Like smoother than ever. Let's see tomorrow how it goes.
Thank you.
All the best to you.
No, an economy is gonna be fine. Economy is like my home. Economy is like my home. Because when you start as a CSV and you're a junior, you do economy all the time. You have turnarounds. Economy. Then you get used to. Okay, we're going up. Are we? Yes. It's not really, it's not a big time. And then yeah, we can find anything here.
The guy, where is that?
Where is it? Ah, there. Where is our friend Jet Li? Ah, there you go. Now he switched girl, huh? First you can try.
He's been a single.
You try Moroccan, now he switched to UK.
He's been a single.
Okay, let's lower the level. The
I don't know that's exactly lowering the level.
Let's lower the difficulty. You know when they start playing a game and it's like, okay, set the level. Yeah,
Amateur.
very hard. And then you play 2 minutes. No, it's too much. Let's go medium. Let's make the experience pleasant.
Last one, that's two.
Like Rocky. You don't need to do 2 cars tomorrow. It's 190. It's like 5 cars in total. If we have specials, it's even less.
Quốc cơ và quốc nghiệp đó, họ đã chồng đầu lên nhau và người ta đi từ ở dưới lên.
Yeah. Understood.
Oh. Let's have 3 people. Maybe.
Nice view, huh? Wow,
I start seeing more Asians.
all Asians, right?
Wow. Asians are big time tourists, man.
Yeah, they love it.
Especially the old age.